Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome class 10 physics students in ABSEC's online sport program. I am Mrs. Alia Chidoon from Army Public School and College Fort Road, Rawalpindi. Dear students, I on the behalf of Fort Road welcome you all in this e-learning session 2020. The impact of COVID-19 on the way we live, learn and work is evolving daily. We know that health and safety is the first priority right now. We are here to help you and make this e-learning easy for you. Our commitment is to make sure that everyone has access to the best possible learning experiences even in the times of uncertainty. My dear students, taking learning online from the classroom is not as simple as flipping a switch, nor is it just about the technology. We are all in uncharted territory. Working together, we can provide the right education response to this COVID-19. We stand ready to help you. That is why we are providing access to your teachers, best practices, and other online guidance for our students. Here I am going to introduce your textbook. This is your prescribed textbook, Physics 10, as you can see on the screen right now. This is published by Malik Sirajuddin and Sons. This book has 9 chapters. You can see on your screen: simple harmonic motion and waves, sound, geometrical optics, electrostatics, current, electricity, electromagnetism, introductory electronics, information and communication technology, radioactivity. Since we are following ABSEC Secretariat guidelines, so according to the instruction, the syllabus is divided into 2 terms, first term and second term. In first term, you will be taught the following chapters: simple harmonic motion and waves, sound, geometrical optics, electrostatics, and current and electricity. Whereas in your second term, the chapter included are electromagnetism, introductory electronics, information and communication technology, and radioactivity. As per Federal Board Intermediate and Secondary Education Policy, your theory paper will be of 65 marks. Practical will be taken as a composite exam. It comprises of practicals of both 9th and 10th, and it will carry 20 marks. Now here is the paper pattern in front of you. It is comprising of 4 sections. In section A, there are 12 MCQs given. Each will carry 1 mark. In section B and C, you will have to attempt the short questions. From section B, you have to attempt 6 short questions, each carry 3 marks. From section C, you have to attempt 5 short questions, each carry 3 marks. In section D, you have to attempt the long questions. You have to attempt 2 long questions, each of 10 marks, and the total will be 20 marks. MCQs for section A can be taken from any of the chapter of your textbook. Short questions for section B will be taken from chapter 11 till 15 of your textbook. Here you have to attempt 6 short questions out of 8. Short questions for section C will be taken from chapter 16 to 19 of your textbook. You have to attempt 5 out of given 7 questions. The long questions, which are in section D, they can be taken from any of the chapter of your textbook. Now here is the list of practicals in front of you. It is comprising of 2 sections, section A and section B. In section A, practicals of class 9th are mentioned. This you have already done in your previous session. Now in section B, all the practicals based on the theory content of your class 10 physics are mentioned. This will be done inshallah in your current year. Now students, here are some instructions for your e-classroom. On every Monday of the week, you will receive your schedule. Video support for the topics will be given within the week. Students will listen these videos very carefully, and after that they will study their textbooks. Assignments will be solved by students on the loose sheets and will be kept in the record. In case of any query, you can contact your respective subject teacher. Don't put off your work for the next day. Guidelines and the notes for the exercises will be shared whenever required. Assessment can be planned during or after completion of the chapter. Now here students, one last thing, get your concepts clear. One of the very important characteristic of a student is to question. So what all you have to do is discuss the topics which are covered, reiterate welcome, wrap up, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz.